Okay, so the next project is about color sputter game. What is this game about? Actually, sometime when we are traveling with the kids, so then we are while traveling, we are playing like this. That okay, who will see a green car first, or who will see a red car first? Okay, so if uh, someone see a red car first, then press red button, and if see a car, then green press and blue press, and who will see purple, orange, yellow, and so on. So when all the buttons are pressed, so the person who complete all these, so that will be the winner. Okay, so once all these buttons are pressed, then it will be uh, it will display the label you win. Okay, and then we can click play again, then it will reset. But at the beginning, when the game starts, the you win label will be disappear, the play again button will be uh, unvisible. These two will be unvisible. It will be just like the six buttons. Okay, and the top level. So these are actually six buttons, and for each button I have used different colors, two images, one like unselected, another one is selected one. So the selected one is the same color, but here in the middle is a bit blue white circle which show like the button has been pressed. So the images and the win sound, all these I have shared on Ellipse. Okay, you go to Ellipse, all of you go to Ellipse, and from Ellipse you can download this one, then you can follow with me. I already share with you. Okay, so then will be easy for you to follow. In Ellipse, if you go down here, you see this one, color sputter game images and the winning sound. This I already share with you. You download from here. Okay, so then we will start. So I will slowly start. Uh, let me show you a demo. I have already tested this one, then we will design later, but I have already designed one time. So in the meanwhile, when you are downloading the images and the sound, I will show you this one. So this is the game, and this one, yeah, it is running, so I can show you through emulator. Yeah, you see here, when the game run, then the you win and the play again button, these are invisible, only the six buttons are there. So if you click the red button, so it has the red image now, but when we click it, you see the image has been changed, and it changed its status, that now a red car has been spotted already. So then blue, then green, then purple, maybe yellow, and then the last one. But here if you realize that the orange button disappear, okay, become invisible. Actually it's I don't know, it's a bug in this in the server, because the same project I run in the other platform, MIT dot sorry, this one, MIT. Yeah, if the same project if you run on this platform, then it is okay. Okay, here I have the same, yeah, the same project. You see, I am running this project again. You see, there is no emulator. If I run again, hopefully in your case it will be not like that. This one, the same coding, the same project. So red, green, blue, oh, sorry, green, purple, orange. You see, this one is not disappearing, and the sound you cannot hear. The sound you cannot hear, but there is a sound. So let's go through this project and build it. I hope in the meanwhile you already got the images and the winning sound. Okay, so we will go through, yeah, which platform we should go through. Okay, let's try the same one. So I have just created a new one, just empty project, nothing is there. Okay, you see nothing is there in the interface, nothing is here in the block coding. So let's start. Okay, so first of all we need what? First of all we need a label. in the label is written what? Tap, yeah, tap when you see a car colored. Okay, so we will bring a label, and here maybe we can change its font color. Tap when you see a car colored. Uh, its text should be when you see a car colored. Okay, so you see, I think we should make it until fill parent. It should be font size should be a bit bigger. Let's see, 16. It should be centralized also. Uh, Center. Yeah. Its background color we should change a bit. Yeah, like this should be okay. If you want to change the font color more bigger, you try. Yeah, I think 20 is good. Okay, now we need a horizontal. No, I think it should be a table arrangement because we need two rows which which will hold the buttons. So we should bring a table arrangement, and this table arrangement should fill the width should be fill parent, and the rows should be two, but the columns should be three. Okay, because three buttons per row. Okay, now let's bring buttons to it. One button, second button, third button, fourth one, fifth, and sixth. Now you see these buttons we will change to image buttons. Okay, I think later on we will feel easy if we rename it also, but okay, let's start this one. We should change um, the image for this. Let's change its image. This one. Okay, so upload a file, select file. So here I have put where in, yeah, color images. So this will be a red.png. Okay, now you see it's changed like this. So the text the text we will delete it, then no text over it, but for the same button we will add another image also, because when it is pressed then we need another image for that, and that one is this one. You see, see red, like selected one. Okay, but at the beginning we want, yeah, again change this one to the red one. The same we will repeat for each button. This one is blue, blue. Okay, and again another one blue. Oh my gosh, blue. But the select blue circle blue. But we should change. Okay, we will change this one to to, to blue. Okay, and remove the text. The third one we will change to green, and let's upload a file, green one. It doesn't matter in what order you upload the images, you can change again. So then green circle one. Okay, now this one should be yellow. Remove the text. Another file, yellow circle one. Yeah, but change to yellow. At the beginning, oh, this one green, I didn't change. At the beginning, everyone should be the not selected one. Okay, so this one should be orange, orange. All of you got the images? Okay, and remove the text. uh, this image also, okay, this one is purple. Oh, the orange should be on selected orange. Remove its text, and another image, the selected purple, but we will change to normal purple. Okay, so we got this. Now after that we need a bit space. So for the spacing, as I told you, you can just simply bring a label and just remove its text, then it is already will give a space. Then next one, we need another label, and this label text will be you win. Okay, you win, but okay, it should be bold also. The text, the background color should be black, and the text color should be green, and it should fill parent, and the text alignment should be in the center. Okay, so you win, like this. And you see the space I give by another label, I just remove the text from there. Okay, another one, we need another button. Okay, this button will should fill parent. Its background color uh, should be black. Okay, and the text over this will be play again. And it should be center also, and the text color should be yellow. Yeah, okay, yellow. So you see, this is the interface. One thing left, that is the if someone win, then there should be a winning sound. So the winning sound, we will bring, just upload here as a is a file. You see here, upload as a file the winning sound, and we will use later. You see here under the media, all the images are there. So you see, here is upload file. So here you can upload any file, any audio, video, okay, even text file you can upload. So this one we will use later. Okay, so until this point, okay, you want, you need a time, or I should change to coding? My god, my recording is stopped. Okay, if any one of you share with you the source code of this MIT App Inventor app, okay, and this is a good question that you ask. So to use this code or to load this project in here in the editor is like this. Go to projects and select import project. You see in the bracket is given .aia. That .aia is the source file from computer. So when you click this one, then you choose the file. Okay, it is where it is this one, and then just click OK, and then click OK. So you see it will replace. Okay, so and in my case it is telling me that this is already exists because I have already created the same one. So it's already exists, so I cannot create two projects with the same name. But in your case, you can. But if you already have with the same name, and that is not complete, that first delete the previous project and then upload it this one like this. Okay, good question, really good.